Welcome to our EL software tutorial series. In this video, I will show you how to connect a PAT tester to the EL software server. The steps shown apply to all PAT tester models. There are two options. You can connect a PAT tester directly to the PC or use an existing network with a router. First, I'll show you the direct connection. In this example, I use a PAT tester X8 with a single test channel. After starting it up, you can connect it to the computer using a network cable. First, connect the cable to the PC and then to the PAT tester. Make sure that the control LEDs light up. When a PAT tester is connected directly to a PC, it uses a static IP address, which is set on the PAT tester. The PC must also be switched to a static IP address to enable communication with the tester. Therefore, you must first make sure that the PC is set up correctly. Open the Windows Start menu on your computer and select System Settings. Now open the Network Settings. Open the properties of your current network connection. Here we have to adjust the IP settings. Click on Edit and change the setting to Manual. Activate IPv4. The address 192.168.67.67 is stored as the default setting on each PAT tester. We must now set a static IP address for our PC in the same subnet as the PAT tester. This means that the last digit must be different. In this example, I enter 192.168.67.2. In the subnet field, enter 24. We must also enter a gateway. In this case, we will use 192.168.67.1. Now save the settings. The PC is now configured, and we can open the EL software to complete the final steps. Select the PAT Testers section in the Tree View navigation, and then click the Connect PAT Tester button. If the automatic search has not yet found the PAT tester, we can manually enter the connection data. Enter a name under which the PAT tester will be displayed in the software. Then enter the tester's default IP address, which is 192.168.67.67. Click on the Connect button to complete the setup. The PAT tester appears in the menu with its channels. It is now connected to the server and ready for use. In the second part of this tutorial, I will show you how to connect your PAT tester to the EL software server in a network with a router. To connect the tester, you need a network cable connected to your router or the existing network. Plug the cable into the tester's network port and ensure the LEDs light up properly. In the next step, I would like to briefly check whether the network connection of our PC is set up correctly. Open the Windows Start menu on your computer and select System Settings. Now open the Network Settings. Open the properties of your current network connection. The IP assignment must show Automatic DHCP. If it shows something else, click on Edit and select the correct setting. Since our PC is set up correctly, we can now switch to EL software for the further steps. Select the PAT Testers section in the navigation and click Connect PAT Tester in the menu bar. Click on Search to start the automatic search for available testers on the network. Our PAT tester X8 has been found, and its name and IP address have been automatically entered. You can change the name as you like. If the automatic search does not find the PAT tester, please ask your administrator for the IP address and enter it in the IP address field. If you are using a PAT tester I16, enter the address shown on the display. Finally, click on Connect. As you can see, the tester and its test channel can now be found under PAT testers. It is now connected and ready for use. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.